So CBEX just actually changed their name, and this is actually huge information I'm sharing to you right now. So you are going to get informed, right? So stay with me into this particular update. I'm going to like break down everything I've seen and everything that's currently happening right now. So you can see the platform actually has been going down, which the withdrawal system is not going up well, and many people are complaining. If you check out the group, many people are currently lamenting, and a lot when they open the group for people to, you will see people writing a piece 2 and all, right? So currently they locked the platform right now. Again, you can only message if you want to boost. But the purpose of this particular video, which is the important part, is they drop an update, which is the Lara. It said the audit update is actually going to be taking a lot of time, right? That's been extended to December 25, right? So I'm reading for what I have right here. So they said they are partnering with another project, which is called the ZS team. So, you know, we have the, let me show you, we have the ST and we have the CBEX. So they are both together. So they said they are partnering with another project that is called the ZS team, and their name, so ZS team, and this is HHE. So ST, CBEX, ZS, HHHE. What can we even call this one? Okay, whatever name we can actually call this, because this is kind of funny to me. Like, what did they take us for, right? So let me just use the name. I'll be using that one to pronounce this particular new name right now. So you can see this is the link, right? So I've registered, so I'm going to show you how I did the registration now and how the interface look like. So this is the Telegram group and thereabout. But before you go ahead to register, just watch this particular video to the end. So let's go ahead to join the. So right now I actually came back to this particular stuff. So I registered, and when I registered, this is the interface I saw. So you can see at this particular site, let me just show you. We have the .com right here, and if you check out this particular main official CBEX account, we are going to see we have the CBEX 29 right here. This is the website. So this is still the same thing. Like, they did not change anything. You can see this is still the same. This is CBEX. This is right here. So if you see, the interface is actually the same. If you just check your balance, you're going to see it's a fresh account. And when you check your balance on, let me go back and check my balance on the CBEX platform, it's still going to be showing what's right, and the withdrawal is currently still pending and thereabout. So for you not to fall victim and not to fall victim of, no, I'm not sure you're going to be watching this particular video, or you'll be a member of this particular channel and you fall victim. That is not possible. So right, so this is the latest update on this. They just changed their name from CBEX to Don't laugh me. See you in my next video.